welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my smoothie more green, okay? My green smoothie. So I have 1 banana, kale, and strawberries, okay? Just 3 ingredients. Oh, 4. Ginger. If you didn't see my video about ginger paste, check it out. So I'm going to plug in my NutriBullet really quick. If you guys remember, I did a whole video on that. I love this little doohickey. So I ended up stopping smoothies for a while, if you remember, because it was just too much sugar. And I was like, I should be losing a little bit more weight. So I figured out that it probably was me having too much fruit in my smoothies instead of more greens. So once I figured out the perfect combination, I wanted to come back and show you and do another video, because my first one, I was just kind of starting out, and now that I'm a little pro at it, I want to show you how this looks and the difference. Okay, so how you guys been doing? I'm doing good. I am on a new journey, right? Just for a week. I've been watching a lot of documentaries like What the Health and stuff like that, so it's got me all in a tizzy about eating processed meats and meat in general, not just processed, just eating meat in general. The way it's processed. Some people are going vegan because they're concerned about the animals. Others are going vegan and plant-based because they're concerned about themselves, the human. So for whatever reason you're doing it, I'm trying a little bit of it. And I just found out about a new term yesterday called a flexitarian. I'm still putting it together. Ain't that pretty? Called a flexitarian. So I think that's probably where I'll be, because I don't want to just say I'll never eat meat again and I'll never have cheese again, which I may not. With the cheese, I told y'all that in a recent video, I'm trying to really get off that cheese. Now let me tell you a few things about this blender too. If you put too much water in it, you will have a mess. There's a max line right here. There's a max. If you go over that max, it will spill over into the blender, the motor part. Now I have did that several times and it still works. All right, so I put my ginger in there. I told you I did a video on the ginger paste. If you haven't seen it, go back and check that out. So I make this weekly, and I'll just put everything over there. I wanted to show you how much greens I stuff in there. So see, hopefully it's gonna turn green because y'all watching. So I put more greens, a little strawberry, and 1 banana. I love the banana because it makes it creamy. If I don't put the banana, it's not gonna be creamy. I like it creamy. So let's use some water. Now someone did tell me, you making all that healthy smoothie but you're using tap water. It's just quick for me. I probably should have a bottle of water around here. Let me pour a little bit more. I probably should have a bottle of water around here that I use, that's been filtered or something, but I'll just drink it right out the tap. Shoot. I have learned throughout the years, it's not gonna be perfect, guys. You can't have perfect water. We're not perfect. The world ain't perfect. So sometimes you gotta do the lesser of 2 evils, as I like to say. The lesser of 2 evils. Okay, so we're gonna blend this up, and it should be really green, so give it just a second. It don't take that long, so hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna take this off so you can see it. So this is the finished product. Wait a minute. That's the finished product. Isn't that pretty? And you're gonna see all this green in a minute. Okay, hold on 1 second. I gotta put it on. Hold on. Hold on. So you push it down. It must not be on right. Hold on. Because it's not spinning properly. Hold on. If the blade, unless it's not enough water. Hold on 1 second, because for some reason it's not spinning. Hold on. That's the blades. Hold on, because usually this thing is spinning like crazy. Okay. Here we go. Let's try it again. Is it too much in there? Oh, Lord. This is real TV. Hold on. Is it too much? But it's not spinning. Let me see. There's enough water in there. Let me see. Try it again. This is live. Good thing I work on the Food Network, huh? Hold on. Okay. 1 second. I'm gonna wipe it off. I try not to put all that water in my in there in that motor part. All right, let's see why it's not spinning. Okay, let's try it again.
A few moments later.
It must have too much in it. Well, this is good so you can know if your blender is not spinning. Maybe it's too much in it. I don't know. Let me take some out. It must be too much. Let me take a little bit out. So I'm taking some out, guys. Hold on. That's disturbing. I've never had this happen. Well, this is good so you can see. You know, I guess you could put too much. I've never had that happen where it was too much for it to blend. So let's try it again. Which that makes sense though. It's not that big and I'm trying to make two. One day I was telling my husband that he should drink a whole one of these and then I should drink a whole one. All right, let's try it again. What the heck? Why is it not spinning? Is it enough water? I hope it ain't broke. Hold on, y'all. I just got it. Then I put it on so tight. Hold on. I'm gonna put this out there in this foolish. Y'all gonna see this video in the foolish raw. Yeah, I think it's still too much stuff in there. I don't know. Let me put some more water. It's enough water. I don't know why it's not blending. Let me try again. Now, I never had this happen, y'all. But I'm just letting it film and record. But, yeah. Let's try it again. So I took out quite... Oh! Is it too... Oh, it's leaking from the bottom. Okay. Maybe I'm not going to put this out. Put a little bit more water in there. Yeah, this should not be taking this long. You've been in with the Planet Smoothies. You got to do all this every day, huh? Hold on. I'm wondering. What happened, y'all? Okay, so I don't know what happened. Let me put this back over here on the camera. Yeah, that was kind of crazy. I went ahead and showed you live though because that could happen. I guess I put too much. So what I'll do is put the extra. Get the camera straight. What I'll do is put the extra back in the bag and we'll have that for tomorrow. Yep, because I'll probably use the rest of this tomorrow, so. It's okay, it's kind of wet. I'm not throwing it out. It's too expensive. I told y'all, well, you haven't seen that video yet probably, but I went to the store and bought Cheerios the other day. And woo! Cheerios, so all that goodness. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to put it into go cups because we're about to go. We're going to work. Hold on, because I want you to see it as I pour it. So I buy these little red cups. Take you back in the day, party time, huh? So I buy these red cups and I'm going to pour it so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, that was crazy this morning. I have never had that happen. So then anyway, once you're done, this one thing, you see all that goodness in there? Oh, it's so green. The greener the better. And then look, green. And you're getting all that health benefits. And we're gonna do the second one. Green. All right, so anyway, that's how I make my new smoothie now. Again, that was strawberries, kale, banana, and a little ginger, okay? So anyway, you saw the little snafu, putting too much in there, it won't span. You want more green so you can make it green and get all those benefits. So until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.